If SketchUp 2026 is giving you a login error, refusing to open, or dropping you into trial mode, don't worry. This is usually a connection issue between SketchUp and Trimble's login servers, and in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling the entire program. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact troubleshooting steps to get SketchUp signing in properly again so you can get back to modeling as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SketchUp fixes and software tutorials. First, let's start with the simplest and most effective fix, which is signing out and signing back in. Open SketchUp and look in the bottom left corner of the welcome screen or inside the main workspace if you already have it open. Click the account icon, then choose Sign Out. After that, close SketchUp completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure it is fully shut down. Wait about 10 seconds, then relaunch SketchUp and sign in again with your Trimble account. This refreshes the authentication token and often clears the login issue right away. If that does not solve it, the next step is to clear SketchUp's WebCache. SketchUp uses an internal browser to load the login window, and if that cache becomes corrupted, the sign-in page can fail. To do this, close SketchUp again, then open File Explorer and go to the path shown on screen, %appdata, %/SketchUp/SketchUp 2026/SketchUp. Inside that folder, find the folder called WebCache and delete it. Once that is removed, reopen SketchUp and try logging in again. This forces SketchUp to rebuild the login cache from scratch, which can fix stale cookies and broken session data. Now let's talk about your default browser, because this can also cause login problems. SketchUp 2026 often opens your web browser to complete the sign-in process, and if your default browser has a VPN, an ad blocker, or heavy privacy protection enabled, it may block the return connection back to SketchUp. If you enter your password but SketchUp never finishes the login process, temporarily disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, and if needed, switch your default browser to something like Microsoft Edge just for the sign-in attempt. After logging in, you can switch it back later. If you still get an error, the issue may be tied to your Trimble account itself. In some cases, SketchUp will say you have too many devices active, which means your license is already signed in on another computer. To fix that, go to the Trimble account management portal in your browser and sign in with your Trimble ID. Then go to My Products, open View Included Applications, find SketchUp Pro, and click Manage Seats. From there, choose Deauthorize All. This signs out every device linked to your account, including old machines you no longer use, and it gives you a clean slate for your current desktop. After that, go back into SketchUp and try signing in again. Another thing to check is your system clock. If your Windows date or time is even a little bit off, SketchUp may fail to verify security certificates, and that can trigger a login error. Open your date and time settings and make sure set time automatically is turned on. Also confirm that your time zone is correct. This is a small detail, but it can make a big difference when the app is trying to connect securely to Trimble's servers. Finally, check your firewall. If SketchUp.exe is blocked by Windows Firewall or another security tool, the app may not be able to reach the login server at all. That can leave you with a blank window, a failed sign-in, or a generic error message like 404 or 500. Make sure SketchUp is allowed through the firewall, and if you are using third-party antivirus software, temporarily test with it disabled just to see whether that is the cause. So to recap, if you get a SketchUp login error, start by signing out and signing back in, then clear the WebCache folder, check your browser settings, deauthorize extra devices in Trimble, and verify your system clock and firewall permissions. These steps fix the majority of SketchUp 2026 login issues quickly and safely. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want a follow-up tutorial on more SketchUp errors and account issues.